to my channel Tanutalks. So guys, if you too are suffering from grey hair or hair whites and you don't really want to color your hair every now and then, especially if you have to step out of your house for a meeting, or even if it's a grocery shopping, or you just have to attend a meeting online, I know hair coloring is so time consuming process. But don't worry, I've got a solution for you with which you can cover your hair whites or grey hair in just few seconds. And there's no wait time, you can step out of your house immediately after using that product. I'm talking about L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch. This hairspray will temporarily cover your grey hair and will last until your next wash. It not only covers your grey hair but also provides you the volume in your hair. So it's perfect if you're thinking of doing any kind of hairstyling on your hair, be it a bun or a braid. It will definitely provide the required volume on your hair. L'Oreal Paris Magic Retouch comes in a spray bottle, which makes it super convenient to use. For application part, make sure to shake it well and then directly spray it on your dry hair roots. You will notice within few seconds your grey roots will be concealed. This product lasts up to 25 uses. Make sure to avoid moisture, rain or sweat to have the product stay on for longer. The good thing is that it is totally ammonia free, smudge proof and transfer proof. It has a micro diffuser to focus on the target area precisely. So guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and I shall see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.